This is Cyndy G, and in this video we are assembling the carrot box. So I am going to start by putting the panels on my leafy stock. And I'm going to fold these tabs back so that I can glue these together. Then I'm going to set that aside. On the lid is a shorter piece. You're going to fold on all the score lines and then just start gluing it together. Oh, I didn't fold those. For the top, I'm not going to put the panels on until I have it together. So you're just going to take your time, line up these pieces. There we are. Okay, and then the top. And then I'm just going to flip it over and make sure these tabs are pushed down good. I'm going to put on my top panel piece before I put my stem on. Then I'm going to put some glue on both of these tabs. Put it in. And then push the tabs to the top. Okay, just like that. And I'm just going to curve these a little bit. I'm just going to put glue on the top and the bottom and glue the panels in place. I'll line it up to the bottom first, then push it up to the top. Do that for all four. Again, I'm going to line it up on the bottom first. Make sure I've got it sticking, and then pinch up at the top. Okay. So that is the top. Now I'm going to pull in the bottom. And I'm going to do the same. I'm going to wait, I think. So you don't want to go over your fold. You just want to take your side just right up to the fold line. And then bring it together. I'm going to do the top one first. Make sure you hold it long enough for it to stick. And then let's close up the bottom. So it's pretty simple. I probably should have put the panels on before I closed up the bottom. It would have made that a little bit easier so that you could get a better grip on it. This time I'm going to start at the top and adhere it in place and then press it onto the bottom. Okay, so you're going to do that to all 4 sides, and then you see you have your carrot box. Thank you for joining me.